Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, wood grain interior trim, backup camera, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.